How to Evolve Your Mindset from Robert Kiyosaki's Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Growth Through Mistakes. In school, we're often taught that mistakes are bad, that they should be avoided at all costs. But think about how we learn to walk, by falling down and getting back up. Embracing failure and questioning conventional wisdom go hand in hand. When we make mistakes, we have the opportunity to learn and grow. This mindset shift encourages us to see failures not as setbacks, but as valuable stepping stones towards success. Challenge the status quo. Robert Kiyosaki advises us, don't be addicted to money. Work to learn. Don't work for money. Work for knowledge. This means questioning established norms. It encourages us to work for knowledge and personal growth, leading to a richer and more fulfilling life. Critical thinking and innovation. Robert Kiyosaki once said, I find so many people struggling, often working harder simply because they cling to old ideas. He points out that clinging to old ideas can be our biggest liability. By questioning conventional wisdom, we open ourselves up to new ideas and new ways of thinking. This can lead to innovation and creative solutions to problems. Remember, embracing failure is part of the process. It takes multiple attempts to find unconventional solutions. Robert Kiyosaki's Rich Dad, Poor Dad shows that with embracing failure as a path to growth, challenging the status quo by working for knowledge, and fostering critical thinking and innovation are just a few ways to evolve our mindsets. Ready to turbocharge your reading skills? Click the link in the bio to uncover a world of efficient learning with Fast and Curious.